What is the libertarian perspective on red flag laws and due process? Imagine waking up one morning and finding your firearms taken away without any warning or chance to defend yourself. That's what some people worry about with red flag laws. These laws allow authorities to seize guns from someone they believe might be dangerous, but often without a court hearing or proof. Libertarians see red flag laws as a big problem because they violate basic rights. The Second Amendment guarantees the right to keep and bear arms, and libertarians believe this right should never be taken away without proper legal steps. They argue that confiscating guns without a criminal conviction or a fair trial is unfair and unconstitutional. These laws often relying on accusations from friends, family, or even anonymous tips. Libertarians point out that hearsay and unverified claims should not be enough to disarm someone. They worry that this can lead to wrongful confiscations and even dangerous confrontations during raids. There have been cases where police have used no-knock warrants to execute red flag orders, sometimes ending in tragic accidents. Libertarians emphasize that due process is a core principle of justice. That means everyone should have a chance to defend themselves in court before losing their property or freedoms. They believe that firearms ownership is an individual right that should not be restricted based on mere suspicion. If someone is a threat, the law should handle it through formal charges and a fair trial, not preemptive seizures. In terms of government power, libertarians prefer restrictions on firearms to be minimal and carefully scrutinized. They oppose laws that give police broad authority to confiscate guns without judicial oversight. Some libertarian lawmakers have even introduced bills to explicitly ban enforcement of red flag laws to protect individual rights from government overreach. Overall, libertarians see red flag laws as a threat to personal liberty and property rights. They believe these laws undermine the legal safeguards that protect citizens from unjust government actions. They argue that gun rights should be preserved unless there is clear, legal proof that someone poses a real danger. Protecting due process and individual freedoms is at the heart of their stance.